Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a prom makeup tutorial, so please keep watching. First I'm going to start out with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I already have primed my eyelids with concealer, and I did not set them, so the colors are more vibrant. I'm now going to use a big fluffy brush to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to take this orange shade and put that right on top of my transition shade. I'm again going to blend that out with a blending brush. Now I'm going to go in with this red shade and put it into my outer V and kind of into the crease too. Now I'm using the smaller detail brush and I'm going to go in with a darker shade. I'm also dragging the colors out, as you can see, so my eyes have more of a fuller look. And then again, I'm just going to blend that all out. Now I'm going to go in with this darkest shade, and I'm just going to use a small blending brush to apply it so it's not as harsh. I'm going to keep just building up that color until it's as dark as I want it. Now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer in a small flat brush to cut my crease. You can see that what I do is I put some on my lid and I look up so that you can see exactly where to draw your crease. Now I'm taking this gold eyeshadow pigment from L'Oreal in the shade Eternal Sunshine, and I'm just setting that concealer. Now I'm going back in with that same shade, and this time I'm going to spray my brush so that the color comes off a lot more pigmented. Now I'm just blending out that edge. Now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just going to line where I cut my crease. Now I'm going to moisturize my face with the L'Oreal moisturizer. Then I'm going to spray my face with the ColourPop Rose Quartz Priming Spray. Then I'm going to use the Milani Instant Touch-Up Blur Stick to prime my face. Then I'm going to use my Estee Lauder foundation. I'm going to mix that with my Milani 2-in-1 foundation because my Estee Lauder looks a little too light, so I added in the darker one. In the end, they're still too light, but I make it work out in the end when I add bronzer. Now I'm going to use my damp beauty sponge to blend out my foundation and give it an airbrushed finish. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer to contour. I'm going in pretty heavy with this product because, like I said before, my foundation is a little too light, so hopefully I can bronze up my face a little with this product. Now I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm just highlighting my face with this. Now I'm going to use my Airspun loose powder to set my face. I'm going in with my beauty sponge to put some under my eyes and on the places I concealed. I'm not baking because since this is prom makeup, we don't want any flashbacks, so I'm just pressing that all into my skin with my damp beauty blender so it's all melted into my skin. Now I'm going to take that loose powder again and set the rest of my face. Now I'm going to spray my face with this cucumber spray, and I'm going to press that all into my skin with my beauty blender so all the powders are melted into my skin. Now I'm going to take my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula to bronze up my skin with a big fluffy brush. I forgot to show it, but now I'm taking my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit to contour my face. Now I'm going to take the California blush from Benefit and I'm going to put some on my cheeks. And you can see that I smile a little bit, and that's how you can see exactly where the apples of your cheeks are, and that's where you should apply your blush. Now I'm taking my Anastasia highlighter, and first I'm going to use the smaller brush to apply it. Then I use my bigger Morphe highlighting brush, and I kind of blend out all that highlight. Now I'm spraying my face again with my cucumber water, and then blending out my face again with my beauty blender. Now I'm taking this ColourPop loose highlighting powder and applying that again where I highlighted before. This highlighter is more of like glittery, so I really like putting this on top of my Anastasia highlight. Now I'm using this e.l.f. brow kit to fill my brows, and I'm just taking that darker side and just filling in my brows. Now I'm using the Candy K lip liner from Cali Cosmetics, and this is my favorite lip product in the world. I use this almost every single day, and when I'm going for a full glam, I love to pair it with the NYX lip liner. It's a little darker, and then I love using MAC lipstick in Honey Love to put on the center of my lips. Now I'm just going to highlight my inner corners and underneath my brows with my Anastasia highlight. Now I'm going back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette to smoke out underneath my eyes. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.